العالمين. Brothers and sisters, please remain seated. We have a quick announcement. Just two announcements. Number one, every Friday, alhamdulillah, we have a youth program. And the youth have been, for the brothers, and the youth have been showing out, mashallah, in very strong numbers. Please send your children to that program. We won't have it today, but we will have it in the coming weeks, inshallah. Number two, I want to request that Shahzaib Muhammad comes forward, please. This young man right here, he attended every single Taraweeh that there was, except for one day which he was sick in. There's also 3-4 other young children who were not able to make it. They will come in Jum'ah, but for them, we have a small gift, inshallah. So this is the gift for you. Takbir! Allahu Akbar. Come here. Takbir! Allahu Akbar. Okay. So please send your children to the masjid. We try to, this masjid is for everyone, alhamdulillah. You are young, you are old, you are a child, you are younger than him, bring your children to the masjid. They will cry, they will play, no problem. No one will say anything to them. If anyone says anything to you when you bring your kids, come speak to me, I will speak to that person. The masjid is a place for everyone. Please send your children to the masjid. We have a youth program on Friday nights, but mostly middle school, high school, and some college-age students. And then on Saturdays, we have a youth program for sisters, right? So please send your children to that program as well. For updates, you can follow on Instagram, al-buraq.us. A lot of the youth know. If you do not have that handle or access to that page, ask some of the youth and they will let you know, inshallah. The final announcement is we have breakfast and goodie bags in the masjid. Please do not leave without taking some breakfast, some donuts, and taking the goodie bags. Jazakumullahu khairan. Eid Mubarak wal aam wa antum bakhair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.